Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add mobile number on HubSpot. If you want to add your mobile number on HubSpot, either for security or account settings, this quick step-by-step guide will show you exactly what to do. Let's jump right in. So first, log into your HubSpot account. Next, click the gear icon at the top. So this will open settings. Now, this is where you manage your profile and personal info. Inside settings, make sure you're under General, and Profile. Now scroll down until you find the phone number section. This is exactly what you're seeing on your screen now. Now to add your number, click the country drop-down. Like in here, you see US. Click the drop-down and select your country code. Tap on it. So enter your mobile number in the field. So for example, if you're in the Philippines, switch it to +63. And once done, click on save, or it may autosave depending on your setup. Now, HubSpot uses your phone number for security alerts, account verification, and important notifications. So make sure it's active and correct. Now, quick heads up, don't forget the correct country code, avoid extra spaces or symbols, and double check the number before saving. So, small mistakes here can cause verification issues later. And if you're using HubSpot for business, keep your number updated for security. Use a number you always have access to. So this helps avoid login or recovery problems. Now for a quick summary. So go to settings, open profile or general tab, then scroll down and find phone number. Now once you found it, select country code, then tap on it. And once done, enter your number and just tap on save. And that's it. Your mobile number is now added. So that's how you can add a mobile number on HubSpot. Super simple, but really important, especially for keeping your account secure and up to date. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other tutorials. And see you in the next one.